guys, this video is long overdue. These videos were from the first week that we were traveling to Okinawa and the first week that we were here. I know it's like 2 weeks later. That's just how I am. I'm late on everything. Also, we lost power because there was a typhoon and now we're having another typhoon. So if you hear anything weird during that is what that is. This starts off with the journey out of the house, saying bye to our parents and siblings and driving to the airport. And if you want to stay tuned at the end, I put in all of my Snapchat pictures. They are all vertical, unfortunately. If you want to see any of those, just stay tuned at the end of the video. So yeah. Week 2 should be up shortly. I didn't film as much for week 2 simply because of weather. So I'm filming, today's Friday, so tomorrow, and then hopefully it will be up on Sunday and or Monday. So I will see you guys then.
You too. Yeah. We'll have to bring you something back if you're not here. We'll have to mail it to you.
I'll be here.
Okay.
Don't worry, I'll be here.
Have fun. No, we'll bring you something too.
Okay.
Make sure to bring everybody something. Damn it. I missed the city. I missed the city. There's a bridge. It's blurry. There's a blurry bridge for you. Damn it. Here's a kid's car.
Should've got the New Yorkers on the bus.
Yeah, I know. I should have got the New Yorkers on the bus and the city and the plane, and I didn't. Sorry. Damn it. Okay, I'm just recording now.
Yeah.
Good morning, Okinawa. I don't know if you can see me at all. It's like not even 6 o'clock yet. Hannah's up though, so we're gonna start getting ready for the day. I know the kids usually wake up around like 6:30, so they'll be up shortly.
A demon of earth and fire.
Ready? Whoa! Whoa! Done?
Of course, as soon as we start recording.
Of course.
Done.
Of course.
Let's go drive on the wrong side of the road, guys. It's gonna be weird.
I was like, I told Nick, I said when Erica gets here, she's gonna be like, how the fuck do you drive like that?
Here we go. Here we go. It's so weird to be on this side and like no control over anything.
Right.
It's so weird that so many cars here look like my car.
Yeah. I guess because
So
like,
bizarre. There's so many pink ones.
there's so many pink cars.
There's so
and there's so many like weird like teal cars and like lime green cars.
Yeah.
It's so weird. That place is a honey place.
What?
Yeah,
That's
so
cool.
they have all like local honey.
Yeah.
And they you can get ice cream with like local honey and like honeycomb on it.
Yeah. This is a lot less weird than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, it's not that
It's still kind of weird, but not that
It's not
weird.
really that bad.
Yeah.
Where did she get that? Where did she get that hair from? From my dad. Your dad?
Wow.
Guess we're actually going to like vlog. We're gonna do it on the phone because my camera doesn't want to focus on people. So doesn't want to focus on faces anymore.
Oh.
So that's cool. Tyler. Tyler.
Hey, Tyler. Say hi to the phone, Tyler.
He's like, what?
Hi.
Oh hi.
Oh, hi.
Ohayou gozaimasu.
Hi. Speaking of French. See? Oh, wow. See that little spots? That's what I saw.
Good morning, Hannah. Typhoon is coming. The wind is whipping right now.
It has been for a while. It's getting worse.
Yeah, I was gonna say it started last night, but
It's not getting better.
nope. We're pre-typhoon time. Where?
I never met her, so I don't know.
I'm over here today.
I was gonna say she might come over in a little while to make some food with us.
That's what we want. This is one hot burrito. It's the original and the mini.
Burrito.
Original and mini.
I'd like one warm burrito.
You like the Chipotle burrito and the Taco Bell burrito?
Heck yeah.
No, because she was in that bathroom, and then she went into this bathroom, and I followed her, so she wouldn't eat.
You
my
want a
food
bath?
first. You want a bath?
She's like, heck yeah, I do.
Okay. You can't get your stuff off? Oh, know how to get in.
Hi, Daisy.
Oh no, 158 yen? That's $1.58.
These ones have Pokemon things in them.
Oh, cute!
Yeah, like they're little like the little fish cake things. But they're Pokemon. Yeah.
They're fish cakes?
Yeah. Well, they're not really fishy.
No.
They just don't really taste like much.
They would terrify me.
And then she learned to chew her food.
Yeah, she doesn't chew. She just swallows.
Oh yeah, no, I
You got some right here.
yeah, I'm just blowing it off.
It doesn't help that her dad doesn't chew his food very well either. Go ahead. Tyler, here. Use this
Here,
one.
I was gonna say,
Take
come here,
the-
spoon.
I was gonna say, take the big one.
There you go.
Okay.
Go,
Pour it in
Tyler,
there.
go.
Pour it around in the circle.
Perfect. Yep.
Uh-huh.
You're doing it.
You wanna help?
There you go.
It's packed. Smack it, smack it.
Smacky.
Oh, there you go.
There we go.
Okay.
I was gonna say, I'll do this one.
It's a little messy.
Yeah, and it's not safe for kids.
It's not?
Yeah, because it's essential oil.
It's essential oil. You're so cute, Tyler.
You're right. Mark that one.
Yeah.
Okay, go for it. Harder. There you go. Oh.
Oh,
There you go. Pull it apart.
Pull it.
There you go. Nailed it.
oh, my fingers are kind
It's okay. That's fine.
Okay.
That's fine. Oh.
Now they're shelling it.
Oh, nailed
Awesome.
it.
Good job.